No. Little pigs, let me come in.
Okay.
And we say, not by the hairs of our chinny chin chin. Then you just
Okay.
and blow the house down. Okay. Ready? Who's there?
Little pigs, may I come in?
Not by the hairs by the chinny chin chin. Those aren't your lines. Who's there?
May I come in, little pigs?
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm me, myself, and I. I have pigs for dinner.
That wolf that knows light, so you're scared of light. No. Dad, come here.
I'm here to steal your blankets.
No! Retry. Yeah, you're scared of light. No, he isn't. Dad, no, but wait. We just need to do one quick part.
What?
Just look in and pretend you don't see me. Okay? Just do your lines. Your lines are little pigs, let me come in. Let, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Who's there?
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hair of our chin.
No, too late. I can't hear you. What are my lines?
Sao cái cụ đi đường đấy?
Thôi. Too tired, Brian. I gotta go sleep. I'm sick.
You can sleep in here.
No. Ah!
There are two answers.
There we go.
Okay. Anyways, I'm thirsty. Could you get me some water, Dad?
No, you don't give me my blanket.